What's up, lovelies? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kira. I've been obsessed with the clean girl makeup look. Like, I think it looks so sleek and like it says clean, but my biggest thing is I just love how natural it is and how it just looks like skin, and it's so subtle. I've been really into really natural makeup lately. Like, I haven't been into putting on anything super heavy on my face. I think it's because I've been going through this skincare journey and I've really been taking care of my skin and really loving it as it is. So whenever I do my makeup, I just haven't been wanting to do too much. Without further ado, let's get into it. The most important part about trying to get the clean makeup look is to really take care of your base. That's what I've been doing lately, and I feel like that has just really changed the way my makeup looks once I put it on. I'm gonna go on with my Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I probably wouldn't have picked this one. I don't know if they have one for oily skin. Do they have a Tatcha cream for oily skin? I do know this one is for dry skin. But today, y'all, I went into Sephora to get another foundation, and I'll show y'all that later because I'm obsessed. When I went to the register, let me talk and put this on. When I went to the register, like, she was saying that I was due for a birthday gift, because you know Sephora like gives you a gift for you to choose from at the register. She pulled out this box of Tatcha, and then I don't even remember what the other option was, but I saw Tatcha, and y'all know Tatcha is expensive, so I was like, I'm getting that. And this is my first time trying it, so I cannot wait to tell y'all my review of it. I love this. It's super buttery and just glides on the skin. Like, I really love that. So yeah, I'll probably I might splurge on Tatcha. Like, I already knew the hype was probably gonna be worth it, but now that I've tried it, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go back. Like, this is super fire. And then, like, for the summer, like, just a really nice dewy skin cream to put on. Like, I'm gonna need that. Also, in the box that all of the Tatcha products came in, it was like 3 things that they gave me. They also gave me the Liquid Silk Canvas Featherweight Protective Primer by Tatcha. I'm gonna apply this primer on my skin just to get my base nice and ready for foundation and everything else. Oh, I love it. Feels so lightweight. Okay, I'm gonna push up on Tatcha because what? This is so nice. I literally feel like I could just wear this as is on my skin. Like, this is fire. While I let it just absorb into my skin a little bit, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. For brows, I'm going to go on with my NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I don't do much to my brows anymore, you guys, just because I've just been really simple and just liking that really, really natural look. So I'm going in with the eyebrow gel, and I kind of just spike it up and shape it to my liking. And it just makes my brows just nice and natural and feathered looking. And it cuts my brow routine so short. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick. I have been on the hunt for like the perfect foundation that just really blends into my skin, and lately I've been using BB or CC creams because they're just lightweight and they're buildable, so I don't have to do much with them. Because I told y'all I just haven't been into like a super heavy beat lately. Girl, my friend Naeem, she came up on a treasure, okay? And this is the treasure that I'm talking about. So she ended up finding this when she went to Sephora. She got shade matched, and she FaceTimed me and showed me how perfect it matched her skin. And I was like, oh, I gotta look into this. Then she uploaded a YouTube video doing her clean girl makeup look. I was literally messaging her and telling her that is so crazy because I was gonna film that this weekend. But anyways, I'm gonna give my girl a little shameless plug. Go subscribe to Naeem's channel right now. She's new to YouTube, and I just love all her videos that she uploads. And I know that sounds a little biased, but please go support my girl. It'll be in the description box down below. But anyways, she looked amazing. Her base, it was perfect. It was perfect. I sped to Sephora today. I pulled up quick, and here we are. I'm just doing a few swipes. It is so smooth and buttery. Like, I cannot deal. Now I'm gonna go in and just blend it with my foundation brush. And do y'all see this? It is perfect. The blend is crazy. So now for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C13. Y'all already know how I feel about this concealer. Like, this is my favorite affordable concealer, because I want to say this concealer is only like $7. Love it. And I just put it under my eyes, over my lips, because I have like discoloration there, and I ain't got time to be looking like I got no stash. And then I just put a little dollop on my chin and a few dots down the bridge of my nose. But I like to make sure I come up with the concealer up my eye, like up the sides of my eye, just so that it just... And actually, y'all, I think I'm gonna just hit a little bit to... Usually I don't put too much on my forehead, but I'm gonna just hit a little bit. I have a little bit of dark marks right here, so I'm gonna just cover those up. And I'm gonna just also come in and dot. Now I really could go back in with some more of that foundation just to really build it up, because it is a very buildable foundation. But I think I'm gonna just use concealer and keep it pushing. Going in with my damp beauty sponge, I'm gonna just begin by buffing in all of the product until it's just super nice and seamless. The concealer just hits every time. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Walnut. I'm going to use this to cream contour. And as y'all can see, I'm just using mostly cream products. I should have brought this more upwards. I kind of messed up. But we'll fix it. I'm using a lot of cream products because of how natural it blends and looks.
Till it turns from color to black and white.
Now I'm going in with my Airspun loose face powder. I'm gonna lightly tap the powder underneath my eyes just to reduce creasing. Now I'm gonna just wipe it away with my kabuki brush. Moving on to blush, I really love my Milani Blushing Berry Cheek Kiss. It is this gorgeous, vibrant, like berry pink. Oh no, not me doing too much. Oh my god, I put way too much. Oh no. I like to bring it up to my temples and then a little bit on my nose to fix stuff like this. All you gotta do is take your powder brush and just buff it in more so that it's more subtle, and it calms it down. We're good again. I just brush my lashes out. So for my lips, I like to go ahead and wipe the foundation off. I feel like my top lip is so little. I could be tripping, but it's just not that cool. For lip liner, I am using my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Club Hopper. I'm not really a fan of pencil lip liners, but I really love the NYX lip liners because they're just very smooth, and this is like my favorite shade at the moment to use. For gloss, I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss in the shade Sand. And to top it off with the lip gloss, you guys know I don't go anywhere without a NYX Butter Gloss. I'm going to go in with the shade Madeline. I just love this lip combo so much. To complete the look, I am going to go in with my The Remedy Co. Big Boost Toner just to set everything in place. Have y'all ever fanned your face and accidentally hit yourself? It is so embarrassing when I do that. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I love it. It's just so natural. It literally feels like I don't have anything on right now. but it's just so natural and pretty, and it just gets the job done. All right, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you end up trying out the clean makeup look, or if you're just not that kind of girl, if you are really into a really beat face. And don't get me wrong, y'all, I do have moments, but they're just very far and few in between. I hope this video helped you guys out on achieving the clean look. I love you guys so much, and thank you for supporting me and watching me. It literally means the world. See you in my next upload. Peace.